You're breaking down the news, family. Una go on like una see say Sha'Carri beat up Elaine Thompson over in Switzerland. A joke thing, this, family and friends. You are going to, we are going to talk about that. You are going to let me know if you agree or you disagree. Greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, hit that red subscribe button. Also, I need you to go ahead and hit that notification bell so you could get all the content from the Rastaman. You are going to take now the in battle sprinter Sha'Carri Richardson. She took on Elaine Thompson-Herah. You are going to take earlier this week in Switzerland. Now, earlier in the year, I pray and I noticed that Elaine now run too well in a family. But in battle track and field, star Sha'Carri Richardson is on a road to comeback. The first step to getting a big win to remain in everyone's, mind. It's good news for her, according to Let's Run. The U.S. sprinter defeated Jamaican Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah in the women's 100 meter at the Spitzens, Switzerland, LUCERNE's World Athletics Continental Tour Silver Competition, which is the second level of the tier below the Elite Diamond League. In baseball terms, this is the minor league to the major league. You are going to. Now, in a cold, wet condition, a 2.0, wind headwind, Richardson ran 11.29, beating the gold medalist by 0.01 of a second. America Cilla Barnes finished third at a time at 11.40. Now, as soon as Sha'Carri Richardson beat the Olympic champions, basically all our fans them came out in full throat on Twitter saying Richardson got a whole lot of hate when she lost. So right now, only need to show her some love. You are going to see. Another message read that Sha'Carri Richardson win should be talked about more. When she did not win, everybody gave her hate. Richardson burst on the scene at 2021 Olympics when she ran a ridiculous 10.86 100 meter. However, she was shortly disqualified after she tested positive for marijuana. She was suspended for the competition for 30 days and missed the Tokyo Olympics. I rolled back from a scandal up and down roller coaster of a bad race. Hopefully we see more of Sha'Carri Richardson, because like you see, the article is telling you that, she has beaten the two-time Olympic champion. But the time that they're running is some baby time. It's the minor league. It appears that something is going on with Elaine Thompson-Herah, and I don't know what it is. But it appears that she only gets up for Shelly-Ann and Sherika. But Shelly-Ann has done her role right now. Elaine Thompson-Herah is supposed to be in her prime. I recognize Sherika Jackson is up on her heels. So ladies and gentlemen, without no other ado, I'm going to let you see a piece of the video here. You are going to just adding context to the context.
Yeah, Ron Marley, Deep Roots TV. Listen love, see it? Rastafari.
Yeah. So I'll just say, them about to run. The race is off right now, and as you notice, I like how Abs are run hard. For some reason, I don't think Elaine Thompson-Herah is running hard enough, but I just see at the end of the tape, Sha'Carri Richardson clipped her. So it wasn't like...
Yeah, Ron Marley, Deep Roots TV. Listen love, see it? Rastafari.
Yeah, man, I appreciate love that. And at least she showed that she has resilience. For some reason, I feel like Elaine is kind of down under the water right now. And I don't think that her husband is probably providing the training that's necessary. But that is just my opinion, you know. I don't think that her husband can push her as hard as a coach. So leave your comment right now. So breaking news letting you know that, you know, America's Sha'Carri Richardson has defeated the fastest woman in the world, Elaine Thompson-Herah in Switzerland, ladies and gentlemen, the 100 meter. But you know, see, I know Herah run that at the 200 meter, but you have to look out for yourself because Jackson is on her heel. Sharika Jackson is, whoa. So I'm more life and I'm more joy and I'm more in happiness, but I'm make you see another look at the race. It's a breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The world fastest woman has been beaten by Sha'Carri Richardson, yeah, in Switzerland. As you hear, you know, it's a minor league thing. A minor league, I don't know, major league. Yagante. A minor league thing. Minor league. So hit that subscribe button for me, people. You like up the video. Make sure you share it. As you see, it was a photo finish. 11.30. A baby time them man. Baby time. Big up on yourself. We not worry about she. We not worry about them. And when they come to Olympics, we are run under 10. You are gone, T. Yeah. Smash that subscribe button for my family.
Hello.